3 birds, bird food, a parent, bird cage, lot of patience. Ever wondered how to tame a budgie? In this presentation, I'll teach you how to tame a budgie. Wash your hands so they be clean, because you don't want to get your budgie sick from your germs. Put a bird seed in your hand and slowly reach into the cage. Be very quiet and don't make any sudden moves. That all like this.